Duncan, TungCut, it's been around for a while, but I know you've got additions to the range. What are the additions?
Yeah, there's two new additions. We have the new DTM geometry, which gives us a chip breaker, which is extremely good for parting off, for deep grooving. It will groove turn sideways. And to that we've added a new grade, AH7025, which is a grade that is multi-use across the more aggressive materials, so steels, stainless steels, and some of the exotics.
So if we look at this component here, it's actually done all the deep grooves, and they are deep grooves, and also the turning there.
Yeah, that's right, and it's also done the chamfering detail, just the break edges and that sort of thing. The beautiful thing about it is swarf control. That geometry is superb. There's no danger of the swarf compacting in a deep groove like that, and of course we all know the result of that, it can break the blade.
Yeah, okay, we've run it with coolant today, but like you say, the swarf, very small, you don't get the big spirals that you'd expect from deep grooves.
No, that did fool me the first time I used it. I must admit, I went into the machine looking for the usual watch spring type swarf that you get, but you get really small swarf, particularly nice when you're turning sideways, because you can see there's a really nice finish on the bottom of that groove, and that's come from that geometry. It's made for this.
And it's good for stock control as well. The same insert for side turning, for part off, for grooving, helps your infantry, or lack of infantry.
Yeah, that's correct, and also it fits into two different styles of holder. You can have your square shank style holder, the modular style holders that we have, and also your parting off blade. And the part off blades, we can part off up to 120mm diameter. I wouldn't particularly want to catch the component, but it's possible.
So I think I already know the answer, but what type of engineering company should look at this new part off system?
Virtually anybody. It can be used in your jobbing shop. It can be used on steels. It can be used in automotive, aerospace. We've got grades and geometries, coatings that'll cover all of the materials. There's no restrictions really.
2019, with the release of the Introductions catalogue, Tungaloy continued to strengthen its extensive portfolio, developing groundbreaking coatings, geometries and products. Introducing TungCut, with new DTM chip breaker and AH7025 grade enhancements, delivers smooth machining on a variety of materials. Just one of the 8 new products featured in the Tungaloy 2019 Introductions catalogue. Visit our new website, tungaloyuk.co.uk, and download your free copy, or why not request a printed copy and receive our complimentary machine operators pack. Don't delay, get your copy today.